13 erogenous zones of a female you need to stop ignoring, and it's not all about the clit. When it comes to sex, sometimes it feels like certain hotspots, for example the hello, genitals, get all the attention. There's obviously nothing wrong with that, but if you're only hitting one button, you're missing out on some seriously sexy feels. The whole body has erogenous potential. Okay, but what is an erogenous zones exactly? Put simply, it's any area on the body that has the potential to create erotic and sexual arousal when touched. The truth is, these zones can be found head to toe, and the hottest spots tend to vary from person to person. In my opinion, I think you need to excite all the other erogenous zones before you even move to the genitals. 1. Mouth and lips. Your lips are super sensitive, which explains why a good lip lock can feel so incredible. Amp up the sensation by alternating between soft, sensual kisses and a deep, passionate makeout. Chances are your partner will follow your lead. 2. Eyelids, forehead, and cheeks. Your mouth isn't the only part of your face full of erotic potential. The cheeks are actually really sensitive. If you have your partner close their eyes as you softly caress their cheek, that can be really arousing, especially mid-hookup. Gentle kisses on the forehead, eyelids, and cheeks can activate deep feelings of being cared for. And that intimacy can be a major turn-on. 3. Stomach. Depending on a woman's comfort, the belly can be really sexy. Like your forehead and cheeks, it's a place of vulnerability. Something about that vulnerability seems to connect with arousal for people. 4. Neck and collarbone. The neck is underutilized. It's a super sexy spot. Whether you're into gentle caresses, or rough biting, to make the most of this erogenous zone, the slower the better. 5. Wrists and knees. Anywhere you are sensitive you have the potential for an erogenous zone, which is why a lot of women find the wrists and skin behind their kneecaps to be an underrated erogenous zone. Use these traditionally ticklish spots during foreplay to help arouse your entire bod. 6. Ears. While it might sound weird, being into a little ear pleasure is super common. Turns out, there's a good physiological explanation for why a little nibble during foreplay is so sexy. Your earlobes contain a lot of blood flow, making the fleshy spot highly sensitive. 7. Inner thighs. The same teasing technique can turn the inner thighs into a maddeningly good erogenous zone. A lot of women like being teased there. With kisses or caresses, have your partner move slowly toward your vulva before backing away and repeating the process. 8. Feet. People either love feet or hate feet. Some people think it's really sexy and a turn-on to have their toes sucked. If you're into it, go for it, but remember the point is to get aroused and enjoy it, not make you or your partner uncomfortable. It's about finding your own path. 9. Upper and lower back. Your back may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of erogenous zones, but it can be a surprisingly powerful place to touch. For there to be space for arousal for a woman, she has to be relaxed. Your back, especially your upper back, tends to be a place that stores stress, so a sensual back massage can not only relax you, but also help turn you on. Having a deep tissue relaxing massage in that area, though not erogenous in nature, opens up the space for arousal. To keep heating things up, move the massage further south. The space where the low back and the butt meet is very sensitive. 10. Nipples. Women typically have sensitive nipples, but the type of sensation you prefer, from soft caresses to gentle nibbling, totally varies. Make sure your partner uses the right pressure by speaking up when it feels great or if it's a little too rough. 11. Center of the chest. Once your partner has worked their way down to your torso, don't let your nipples hog all the attention. The chest has other erogenous zones to offer. Specifically, many women enjoy being touched between their breasts, right in the center of their chest. Have your partner tease this spot like they might tease you below the belt, lingering on the area surrounding your breasts before ever touching your nipples. 12. Vulva. It's not all about the clit and the G-spot. The vulva itself, also known as the outside part of your vagina, is one big erogenous hot spot. To make the most of this spot, it's all about lingering and teasing. Have your partner use their tongue, penis, finger, or a sex toy, like a paintbrush, circling the area and brushing back and forth until they just can't help going inside. 13. Clitoris. If you're not already paying attention to the aforementioned clit, get on that. It's definitely the most sensitive target on your body. Have your partner start with feather-light touches and gradually work up to a soft grinding sensation. For even more clitoral stimulation during sex, try some couple-friendly toys. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and leave a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next, and what type of videos you want me to create for you. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video, plus send me an email if you have any question by clicking the link below this video in the description, and I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. To learn more about advanced erogenous zones of a female, and how to turn your spouse into a romantic beast, click the link below in the description below this video, and I would love to help you, so go ahead, and do it now.